everybody, Eric Tate here alongside my buddy Nick Licapo, and today we are talking about Bipolar by Cohen.
Whoa!
This is a super cool gimmick. I have had so much fun with this since it came out. What you're getting here is a specially made gimmick that changes on both the front and the back. So you're getting a change from a Joker to a Queen, and the back is from blue to red. This is a very well-made gimmick. You get a very thorough set of instructions that it has Nick Licapo, myself, Nick Popa, all teaching you different routines, all kinds of different stuff you can do with this. We have the routines are all over the place with different stuff, and we teach you some bonus ideas. I know, Nick, you teach an idea in there where you can throw one card in the air and it splits into two, as well as does a color change. There's a lot of really cool ideas with this.
Yeah, it's fun.
Yeah.
It's like, changing on the face and the back.
Yeah.
Come on. How does that work?
It's so good.
It has to be a crazy gimmick card, and it is. It is.
Yeah.
But it is really well made, and it works, and it's super fun to play with.
Reset is really nice, and one of the nice things I like about this as compared to some other cards is that I can do this with it, which is cool. So the card, I actually just reset it behind my back right there, and one of the things that's really cool about this is the way it's designed. You can set it down and then go back and pick it up and then affect the change. So I can show you that it's blue on the back and the Joker here, toss it in the air, whoop. Catch it. The hardest part about this trick is honestly catching it, because other than that,
Eric's 1 for 2
pretty
during
easy
this
though.
video.
Yeah.
1 for 1. Yeah, I mean, so what do you do with this?
Yeah.
Well, on the video, there are some routines. Eric teaches a transposition routine where, I forget exactly the procedure, but he's got a Joker here, and there's like a king on top of the deck. He throws it in the air. It changes to the king, and now the Joker's on the top of the deck. I was doing a 2-card selection where I'd have 2 cards chosen by my spectators, and then I would bring out the Joker as if that was their card. Of course, Jokers are wild. Throw it in the air, and it would split into 2, and I would catch it. And I don't know, maybe we can grab that clip and put it on here so you can see it, because I'm not loaded up right now to do it. Also, there's a fun way to do with confetti as well.
Yeah.
I teach a little thing in there where you could throw this in the air and
Oh!
No, 1 for 2. Confetti would go everywhere, right? And super fun. There's just, it's got a little bit of a stage manipulation feel to it. You can do it close up, absolutely, 100%. But this would be a great thing. Like I do this in my multiple selection routine on stage, right? Where you toss the card in the air, catch it, and then it changes into the person's selection.
One of the things I will say about the instructional video you get for this is we have Seth Race joining us on the video. Seth manages our manufacturing here at Penguin Magic, and he, along with the really, really wonderful team who built all of these, Seth teaches you how to repair this if for some reason this should ever break. Now, it is pretty durable, and it's going to last you lots and lots of performances, but if it ever does break, Seth teaches you how to fix it. And one thing that I'll give you is that if you figure out how to repair one of these, you could customize this gimmick to have different backs, different face designs. There's all kinds of different things you could do. I've actually got one of these gimmicks that is with a back design from the Penguin Expo decks.
That's right, yeah.
Which is a lot of fun to do. And there's a lot of different opportunities here. It looks great in real life, looks great on Instagram, a lot of fun to play with.
Yeah, and obviously, if you know how to repair it, you know how to make it as well, especially if you're going to change the things around, and that's fine. I mean, if you're crafty enough, you could definitely make one of these.
But we should say that there are no arts and crafts that are required for this.
Everything it comes fully ready to go.
Yeah, you get this, you can do it immediately after watching the instructional video.
Yeah, super fun. I mean, not much else to say about it other than try to catch it one more time.
I think we should do this at the same time.
Blue
right?
card,
Yeah.
blue card.
Blue card.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Whoop!
Oh, nailed it.
Bipolar by Cohen. You should check it out.